finally finished. Bloody late. Wheels shattered, literally only just finished. Traveling to Auckland tonight, so I'm not going to get there till like 1 AM or something. Clutch is all done. I actually ended up using the standard release bearing and fork instead of going to like a hydraulic, which most people would with, say, a Tilton or any kind of twin plate clutch. Just wanted to keep it simple and everything, and the clutch pedal honestly feels perfect, so I'm glad I kept it simple. So the clutch actually stuck out probably 10 mil further, so just had to adjust the rod on the slave, and yeah, it's perfect. The clutch actually feels better than it did before. It just feels like a standard vehicle.
Yeah, and it feels smoother than mine somehow.
And it engages at the perfect point and everything. Got it running and everything, checked it over, no leaks anywhere, everything seems to be good to go. It's been a bit of a tough battle, late nights constantly the last week, but we got there in the end. All going well, the tune goes to plan. Very last minute, but we're all loaded up.
Quick stop off at Wash World to clean the beasts.
3, 2, 1, intro. Oh, well, car's finally done. It's late. Just loaded up on the trailer, just finished it. As you can tell, I'm crook as, tired as, no sleep like the last week working on this thing. Now we're off to Auckland. Well, we've made it probably 2 hours, 2.5 hours. We're here in Whakatane. So, I wanted to try towing with this. Now, most people would think it's pretty crazy. Like, I could have easily used a Hilux or something. But I wanted a bit of a challenge. Like, it's got a tow bar for a reason. And I was a bit worried because it is lowered and everything. I was worried I was going to scrape it and stuff, but I'm actually well impressed. It is a bloody good tow vehicle. Big brakes and everything. The only downside is it uses a lot of gas. Doesn't struggle like up hills and stuff. You just put your foot down, not even all the way, and it'll just go. You put your foot all the way, it just slides all over the show with the trailer on. And it sounds wicked because it's got extra load on it. I'm pretty happy with it actually.
Oh shit, the neighbours are waking up.
Take the next right onto Harris Road, Route 8, then you will arrive at your destination.
What are you doing?
Installing some new coils.
So what are they, R35
Yeah,
oil
frankly.
conversion? So obviously we've arrived. It's got a nice shop here. So we've got the coils all in. So James has just wired up our flex fuel into the Haltech.
Here's the beast. Pretty sure this cracked the 1,000 horsepower.
What are your thoughts?
Huh? Already.
How much?
470 Newton meters already.
We were just saying too, it's a bit of a whistly boy now with that new intake. Wow, the dose pipe.
It sounds like a healthy engine, eh?
I don't know. How much power do you think it's going to make?
Oh, I reckon we'll get a nice 310, 320 kilowatt on 98. And then realistically, 385 on E85.
So yeah, at the moment obviously we're just setting up the 98. Then she'll be getting the corn juice thrown down his throat.
Start adding some ethanol. He said we'll do like E20, E40, E60, and then up the boost from there. Push it to the limit. That's what you call response.
Right. When's the limiter sessions?
Yeah, I don't even care about the power. I just want the limiter.
On 15, 14 pound, it's only 291 on 20.
So what's the go?
She's choked. Needs a bigger turbo. Almost already maxing the turbo out on 98. So putting E85 in is going to get a bit more response, but not a huge gain in power. But it's going to be more than enough, so I'm not too fussed. As long as the limiter sounds good, then
It's still going to be a party house.
like you can see, it's full boost like around 3.5, which is pretty decent.
James just found that the downpipe was loose and the two wastegates. So we're looking around wondering who put those wastegates on and who was it?
Well, I think there's been a bit of a miscommunication. I was underneath the car, positioning them, and Cordell was doing it up top. But now we just hit him up and he said, I left them slightly loose so you could adjust them. They weren't like loose, but just enough to cause a little leak.
Oh well,
Easy fix.
you get that.
So I just need to drain the fuel out because only getting about E50 and I've ran out of E85, so James is going to sell me some of his so we can get it up to like E60, 70, tune that and then go all the way to E85. It's looking good though. 330 kilowatt, oh, I think no, I got 340 kilowatt on E50, which is, I mean, on E85 we should be around 370, 380, which is expected. .360 kilowatt and 650 newton meters of torque, real down low. Like this thing comes on hard as fuck, so it's more than enough.
Right, we're back in Thames. It's time to test this limiter.
Back here at our second home, Thames, at the one and only. Look, he's got a new sign.
Yeah, we'll get the new sign in. Boo!
So Chase is out back. James let us store it here overnight. Come to pick up my rear bumper. I've been searching for a rear bumper for age now. Thanks to Troy Jenkins, he offered it to me at a good price. But she was a bit blown to bits. So I told James to give it a hard and fast. Now it looks brand new.
James is just currently going over the stuff that we've missed. We thought it was good to go, but obviously not.
It was what, basically in 3 pieces?
Yeah, 3 pieces with a heap of splits. And
It was pretty bad. And now you wouldn't even know. So James still thinks it's not good. I think it's pretty perfect. So yeah, just giving it the last sand, chuck some paint on it. I'll finally have a bumper to put on. Should just top off my car.
So both the cars are going to be 100% complete for Matsuru.
Until the ends of Matsuri, they won't
It's
be
alright
complete.
though. James is going to be there, so we just told him to pack his fiberglassing gear and his paint guns and all sorts. So
you just bring the spare paint with you.
he'll be running repairs. We're back in the secret sauce room.
It's been over a year since he painted my car, so see if we can find the code. James put a gift in here. There's a razor blade. He reckons to cut my cable ties off. The booth's currently occupied. It's a working day. We're here bugging these guys. So James is going to give it the H&F out here.
Got our mobile extraction unit. Need to make one of those up for the shed. So we're just sussing out the makeshift extraction setup.
It's like a bloody jet unit. Go, flick it on.
Getting blown to bits back here. Oh well.
I done that.
Yeah,
Not a single sag.
we saw.
So this is the difference between our Hilux bonnet we done and this $50 gun versus what, $1,500 gun.
$1,500 gun.
It makes someone that's doesn't know what they're doing look pretty good.
So Jared reckons now start up advanced order refinishes East Coast.
You know it. Look at that. Give you $50 if you spot a single sag.
Quick, it's on camera. You heard it.
Oh, can I put $50?
Go point one out, James. Where is it?
No, I better not.
So how much? $50.
Don't worry about that. There, you can't see that one.
$50. Right there.
That'll cut out. Don't worry.
Oh well. Buy us a drink in town, my
I
man.
said you though. James spotted it. There's a different eye.
Hey, I hadn't looked yet. I would have picked it up.
Towing a trailer with a cam. Look at it shake.
Shaking my trailer to bits. Now what?
Cut my rib.
We've got to somewhat fit the bumper so we can bring it home.
That's the mark.
fuck was that?
Dude.
Holy fuck!